Hello everyone, welcome back to the Show Academy. So guys, the test was just amazing. We got lots of like and share, so thank you again for that after our lesson that we made just yesterday. So that's our little lesson. It's a bonus lesson for you, and it is all about how to create an audit of your social media page. So I'll give you a template of your social media audit. So just go straight to the point. That's not so difficult, it's not so difficult. We have already done that in the other lesson, but I want to make sure that you have all the information possible and each passage is clear for you. So we can split our social media audit in 6 steps, and I call them a template of your social media audit. So first of all, creating a spreadsheet of your social media profile. That's really fine. So you have your Excel document maybe, and you can create your Facebook tab, your Twitter tab, your LinkedIn tab, every social media platform you use with your social media profile. Of course, you are talking about your business page. Then finding other account that maybe represent you or your brand, because sometimes even if you're talking about small medium enterprise, we can find different account represent your brand. So make sure you find all these accounts together, because they are just crucial to make sure that everything is going fine for you and for your social media audit. Third step, creating a mission statement for each profile. So make sure you know what is the purpose, what is the end goal, and how to work on this idea. That's why I call it mission statement. 4 steps, ensuring accounts are on the brand. Easy, all the account must be part of the brand, and you know how important it is working in this way. Then that's especially important for who work maybe in a big department where maybe you split your account with other one. So there is different owner of your social media page. So centralizing ownership of possible. Make sure that you have this information. So this way you can maybe help some of your coworker if this coworker isn't there, is not able to create a template. Then, creating a process for how new channels will be established moving forward. So, as usual, the most important part is that you have clear in your mind what is your best social media channels, what is your worst social media channels. Make sure, as usual, that you maybe focus your attentions more in the biggest one, and if there are some, social media that doesn't work, if Twitter, for example, doesn't work for you, well, leave it there for the moment. Make sure quality over the quantity, as usual. But if you can, should be better if you can work on all the social media channels. Then, so first step, as we said, create a spreadsheet and write down all the social networks you own and the owner for each. So easy to say. Create your column here, social network. It could be Facebook, LinkedIn, it could be Twitter, Instagram, whatever it is. URL to profile, the same URL you send me for the checking of your page, and the owner. Who is the owner of this social media network? Second step, easy, also in this way. Go on Google and search up any other social media profiles that is representing your company that you don't own. So make sure you have all your social media profile really clear defined. And in this way you can create a separate spreadsheet. So shut down, maybe you can close this impulse or stuff like that. Step 3. Also here, we have our social network, your profile, your owner, and then evaluate the needs for all your social media profile and create a mission statement for each. So make sure really your mission is clear for each social media network, okay? And add this column to the document that you have already created so far. For example, Instagram profile to share company culture and company achievement. Maybe Facebook would be just for signing up, or Twitter just for giving more information. It's all up to you, but make sure you know that and you know your mission statement, as I said. Then, step number 4. Make sure all your accounts are on the brand. So, social network, you have to profile, owner, mission statement, a branding check. Make sure you know that, yes or not. So, all the accounts should be under the control of your brand. So, proper photo profile, proper cover photo, icon, the bios, the description, everyone must be corrected, as well as the URL. That's why I told you, use the same profile photo for each social media channels. Try to use also the same for the cover photo of all your social media channels, so people know who you are in across all the social media channels, all the social media platforms. Then, step number 5. That's maybe it's for some small, medium enterprises, especially for people who work with other co-workers in the social media strategy. So centralize the ownership of the password. Add just the column to your spreadsheet. Example also here, have your IT department own the key to all the passwords for the social media profile. So you can use a tool like LastPass to share the access on a need-to-use basis. That's the step number 5. That's the practical way how to create your auditing, your template. So at the end, create a process for how new channels will be established going forward and create a criteria. So it means that you have to make sure to take note of who is going to approve the request and also who is going to respond to this content, because every co-worker have to work in the best way possible in a specific topic, and who is also the target audience. Make sure you know what is your target audience. That's really important. Tailor your approach is the best way for doing that and for working this way. Then, what type of content will be posted in this profile? Is it photo? Is it, I don't know, maybe just a post from other social media channels, from your blog? It's just a question to your audience, stuff like that, okay? And everything is done. That's really fine, really straightforward, just practical, just practical. Then, auditing tools, those are really important. You know all of them because I just told you how they works in our lesson, but I want to show a little bit, just briefly, how it works like Analyzer. That's really a good one. So I have here the Show Academy on page on the Facebook. Just copy and paste the link here. Check that, and here. Just give a second, fetching data. We have doing magic, something also magic, why not? And here you have really important information. So recommendation, give you some advices. So first of all, like other pages, interact with them, respond to your fans' questions and comments more quickly, improving your time, add more milestones. That's how it works. Learn more, give you more information. So you have immediately here an overview, page information, the name, the username, if it's okay or not. Yes, you can see that. Milestone, page like it. We can maybe work on this part. Then, page performance, the number of likes, the growth, the PTAT, the engagement rate, and checking. So, also here, PTAT, you have a lot of engaged followers. That's great. Likes, grow, we couldn't calculate your like growth for the last month, and the liker, wow, there are a lot of amazing things you can do with this big amount of people. So give you some advices. Post by pages, number of the post, and okay, that's fine. Like, comment, and share per post. So you should be able to activate more follow with your post. Try to improve your timing in order to engage your follower. Post per types, photo and link. Timing, well, that's a mistake maybe from us. You publish many posts between 9 to noon, but posts published between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. GMT time engage more users. So if you have this information, you know that maybe you can focus your attention on this time. Length of the post is fine. Curiosity, hashtag using, that's fine as well. And also, post by others, everyone can post your timeline, post by fans, and we have absolutely work better on response time. So we have to work on this way. So for all of your pages, you can do the same analysis. It's really easy, it's really strong, and you can see that, like rank, we are the first place. So guys, that's all. That's our bonus lesson. You can just write down your pages here and having more information, some insight, some advice, some tools to improve your page, having an audit of your social media channels, and also make it better. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much for your time. As usual, those are our content: Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. let us know, engaged with us, and that's my mail, carmine.torrigo@shortcutting.com. Any question, I'm here. See you, bye bye.